Hi, welcome to the full stack development with Angular 8 and Spring Boot. In the previous video, we are not able to print the list of books in the console because of this error. In this video, let's understand a bit more about these errors and try to resolve it. What these errors are complaining is, right now we are running two different applications in two different hosts. We are running a Spring Boot application in a host localhost 8080 and we are running an Angular application in a host 4200. And this Spring Boot application is blocking all the requests which is coming from outside of the localhost 8080. So somehow we need to tell this Spring Boot application that any request which is coming from outside of the localhost 8080, allow them to make that request. So the way to do is that by adding a @origin annotation. So let's go to the Spring Boot application. Let's go to the book repository, and to this interface we are going to add the annotation that is @origin. And to this @origin we are going to specify the host name. In our case the host name is localhost 4200. Let's copy this and paste it. But in real-time projects the host names will be multiple. We have to specify with a comma separated, or we can specify star. Star means any request which is coming from outside of it, allow them to make that request. In our case we know that we are making a request from the localhost 4200. We are specifying it directly, but this is not the case with the real-time projects. In real-time projects the host names will be multiple. We have to separate it with a multiple, a comma separated, or we can specify a star. So let's save this. Now go to the main class and right click on Java application. As you can see, the application is started. Let's go to the browser and reload the web page. This time we should not expect the error, and as we can see we are not getting any errors and we are getting the data from the web service. So if you expand this, you can see we are getting all the data from the response. Finally we made a request to the web service from the Angular application. So right now we are displaying all the data in the console. Let's actually print it to the HTML table. So let's close this and go to the Visual Studio Code. Let's get rid of this console.log, and we're going to assign this data to the array of books. So this dot books is equal to data. So let's save this. So now if you take a look at the browser, we are getting a data from the web server, from the web service, and we are displaying it in the HTML table. So finally we made a request to the web service using the Angular, and you can see the data. You can verify the data with the data which we are displaying in the HTML table. So that's all about this video. In the next video we will make a few more improvements to this application, then we will wrap up the feature 1 module. So thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next video. Make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel to get notified whenever I upload a new video. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next video.